Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the case and inspecting damage. Do this slowly because small clips break easily. Once opened, you'll remove the silicone tip and visual clean debris. This reveals cracks, corrosion, or loose cables. Make sure to power down and keep batteries low to avoid shorts, and use a magnifier to locate ribbon connectors. You'll separate the shell with a thin pry, gently, then unscrew visible screws. Organize them by size so reassembly is straightforward. Now you diagnose the problem by isolating each component, measure battery voltage and speaker continuity, then reconnect and disconnect the lightning board to test sensors. If the speaker or mic fails, swap the module. If battery capacity is gone, replace it with an OEM equivalent cell. When soldering, use a low-heat iron and flux, short bursts, to protect flex cables. Once components are replaced, reseat ribbon connectors and test before sealing, because you finish by carefully reassembling. Align clips and replace screws without over-tightening because stripped threads are hard to fix. Once reassembled, charge the case and pair to your device. Verify audio, microphone, active noise cancellation, and charging status. If something is off, open it again and check solder joints and flex connectors. These are common culprits. Finally, perform a firmware reset and one full charge cycle. If issues remain, try the troubleshooting tip. Inspect for corrosion or hairline fractures under magnification and reflow suspect joints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.